guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Maya Nicole here. So today I'm back with another install slash review video for you guys, and I'm very excited because this is my first time collaborating with a hair company, and today's hair company is going to be LUVME Hair. And make sure you guys stay tuned until the very end because I do have a great surprise for you guys if you want to save some money. And also, I am going to put a timestamp in if you want to skip straight to the review and just see my opinions and thoughts on the wig itself. But if you'd like to go ahead and just see both parts, the install and the review, just keep on watching and I'll see you guys in a second.
I feel you, I hold you, I know you, I want you. Sit in the passenger seat, holding you, counting you, I look at you in your eyes, hoping that the love is real, hoping that the love is real, hope that the love is real. I see you, is it real, true, you, I'm undone, sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I come for free, feeling that I hear you breathe, smelling all the perfume please, sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that's the air I breathe, holding you, loving you, wanting you. Sit in the passenger seat, hoping that the shit don't come for free, for free. Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I'm coming for you. Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that the air I breathe from you. I feel you, I hold you, I know you, I want you. Sit in the passenger seat, holding you, counting you, I look at you in your eyes, hoping that the love is real, hoping that the love is real, hope that the love is real. I see you, is it real, true, you, I'm undone, sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I come for free, feeling that I hear you breathe, smelling all the perfume please, sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that's the air I breathe. Sit in the desk chair, safe. Hoping that the shit don't come free. Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I'm coming from you. Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that the air I breathe from you. I feel you, I hold you, I mold you, I want you. Sit in the passenger seat, holding you, molding you, counting you, I look at you in your eyes, hoping that the love is real, hoping that the love is real, hope that the love is real. I see you. Is it real? True? You? I'm sitting in the passenger seat.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I may be filming this part after I show you guys me installing the wig, but if I am, I'm just gonna go ahead and get straight into this review of the wig. And first off, this hair is from LUVME Hair. Really nice. I love this box, by the way. It had a little bow too that came on it, but I just took it off for the time being. And just to let you guys know what's in the box when you get it. So they sent this nice little baggie that the wig came in. So it was really nice. It's really, oh, wrong way. It's really nice, really cute. They gave me some wig caps. And also, this was so nice. I was so surprised when I got this. They gave me this cute little baggie. And it has everything you need to customize a wig. Like if you're on the go and you just, let's say you didn't have anything to do your wig with customized, this bag has everything. Everything. So it came with a scarf to wrap my edges, and I have a rat tail comb. I have some bobby pins in here. Have a strap if you need to apply it to the wig. And also a cute little accessory, this little LUVME pin. It's so cute. I would have wore it with the wig, but my outfit doesn't go with that look today. But yeah, I just thought that was, oh, and also I'm forgetting, oh, it came with tweezers. We love that for us. We love that. But I just thought that was so nice and thoughtful. Like, cause you know, let's say you're out of that product to do your hair with, you don't have anything, get everything you need, right? Okay, so getting into a little bit about the wig, I want to start off with the wig construction and how it's made. So when I first took the wig out of the box, I noticed, and this was so great, it came with an elastic band already attached to the back of the wig. That way if you want to wear it glueless, you can. Because I did look at the link, and it's actually a glueless lace closure wig. So if you want to just throw this on and go, don't feel like gluing anything down, doing the extra stuff. And then also just a few more things about it. It's 180% density, which is really good. So it's nice and thick and got a lot of volume there. It is medium brown lace, and it says that it's Swiss lace. So we like that. We like that. It also does have straps too as well, aside from the elastic band that, you know, you can always just clip in the back if you need to be a little bit tighter or looser if you need that. And the color is natural. And so going into shipping of the hair. So the wig officially shipped, it was on September 23rd, and then it got delivered on the 25th. So that was really, really fast. Yeah, like that was literally 2 days. Because I just looked at my text messages, I was like, wow, like, okay. So yeah, 2-day shipping, and on the website it does say 3 to 5 day shipping, so girl, we love that. We love fast shipping. And also going into pricing. Now I do see on the website it starts at $139, and I believe for the longest length, which is 14 inches, it's $179. So not too bad, not too bad at all. You know, normal pricing for bob wig. And then also I did want to get into shedding and just the quality of the hair in general. Now going into shedding, this hair doesn't really shed like that. So just run my fingers through. And I saw that one little snag, but this hair doesn't really tangle at all, mainly because it's short. And yeah, it's really nice. And yeah, I don't have any hair on my hands at all. So, and also when I bleached the knots and I plucked it, I didn't get a whole bunch of shedding or extra shedding from that than what I wanted to. So that was great. And I will say the knots, they took very well to the bleach, so we appreciate that. We love that. And also the lace, it's really nice. It's nice and thin. It's not too thick to where you can barely work with it, and you're just, it's just in your face, like we know you're wearing a wig. So it's cool. I like it. Like, you know, everything about it, it's very nice. And then also this wig, it is a 4x4 closure wig, so it's about from right here to right here. So if you don't like to have 13x4 lace wigs or 13x6 and you just prefer a closure, something simple, or if you just are new to wigs and you're not ready for a frontal yet, you can get this, you know, closure wig. This is really nice. When I tell you, this was the fastest wig I ever put on in my life. Like literally, it took me about, what, 20 minutes? Because honestly, I've never had a closure wig until now. I usually always get frontals, 13x4s or 6s, because I just, you know, like that look. I like having options of putting my hair behind my ears or putting it up and all that stuff, but having a closure is very, very simple. So I like that. You know, something new. So I feel like I'll put this wig on whenever I need to just go to the store real quick, or running a quick errand, or going out somewhere and I'm not trying to do all that extra stuff with the frontal. So yeah, this is really good. And also I really love the curl pattern too. I believe I did mention earlier, but if I maybe cut that out, this is a jerry curl texture. So it's, the curls are nice and, well, yeah, they're nice and tight. But yeah, this is really nice. Like I really like this wig. It's grown on me. It's grown on me. At first, I wasn't sure because this is way out of my comfort zone. I'm not used to short curly wigs, so I'm like, oh, like how am I gonna make this work? But this is nice. I like this. I like this a lot. Alright you guys, so this is officially the end of my install/review video for LUVME hair. And don't forget to check out their link down below. I'm gonna leave the website link as well as a link to this wig specifically. And also some really good news. I have a coupon code for you guys to use. So I'll leave this on the screen and also in the description box along with the specs and everything that I talked about. And my coupon code is Maya20 with a capital M. And it'll be right here or maybe up there. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to like this video, comment on what you want to see next. If you want to see more hair reviews or install videos or whatever you guys want to see on my channel. And don't forget to subscribe. We're slowly growing. We're almost there on the road to 1K. And also I'll leave my socials down below as well, so you guys can follow me on Instagram because I will have some pictures in this wig. Be looking cute, so don't forget to like those pictures and comment on that as well. Follow me on my socials. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.